Hello, good morning. Here is the application of Kirchhoff rule. Two circuits are given, two electrical circuits. So how to apply Kirchhoff rule in these circuits to solve the numerical question? As shown in figure 1, there is only one loop, and first of all you must know what are Kirchhoff rule. So first rule is Kirchhoff junction rule, and it says that the algebraic sum of current at the junction is equal to 0, or sum of current entering the junction is equal to sum of current leaving the junction. And Kirchhoff's loop rule, it states that the algebraic sum of voltages in a closed loop is equal to 0, or the sum of voltage rise and sum of voltage drop in a closed circuit is equal to 0. Kirchhoff's junction rule is based on conservation of charge, and Kirchhoff's loop rule is based on conservation of energy. Here in figure 1, A, B, C, D, A is a closed loop. If nothing is given, so you first name it A, B, C, D. Here it is given in figure 1, and because it is a single closed loop, so in this figure 1 it is to find out the current in the circuit. So there will be same current because all resistors and cells are connected in series. So you assume that current flows in this circuit is clockwise, and this take it as I. So you will do it here. In the loop direction of current, you will see when there is voltage rise, that is from minus to plus, take it positive value, and where there is voltage drop in cells, take it as negative value. And in the resistor there is always voltage drop, so there will be a negative sign. So I proceed here in figure 1. So you will write in a closed loop, A, B, C, D, A. Starting from A, in resistor 1 ohm voltage drop, so you will write minus 1I, 1 into I, and then it is a cell from minus to plus, so voltage drop, a voltage rise, so say plus 1. Again in 2 ohm after point B there is voltage drop, so minus 2I, and in 2 volt voltage rise from minus to plus, so you will write plus 2, and from after point C 3 ohm voltage drop, so 3I, minus 3i, and from plus to minus in 3 volt minus 3, and after point D there is 4 volt from minus to plus, so plus 4 in 4 ohm minus 4i, and we reach at point A. This will be equal to 0. In this way we write the loop equation. So it comes out to be minus I minus 2i minus 3 minus 4. So 7 to 9 minus 10i and 1 plus 2 plus 4, 4 2 6 7 minus 3 4 plus 4, so 10i, or you write here, or 10i is equal to 4. Therefore I is equal to 4 by 10 or 2 by 5 or 0.4 ampere. 0.4 ampere. This is the answer. So in a closed loop you start from loop direction of current, starting from point A. In resistor 1 ohm voltage drop minus 1 into I. In 1 volt voltage rise here minus 2 plus, so plus 1. Again in resistor 2 ohm minus 2I. In 2 volt minus 2 plus, so plus 2. In 3 ohm drop minus 3I. In 3 volt plus 2 minus, so minus 3. And in 4 volt minus 2 plus, plus 4. Minus 4I is equal to 0. So it comes out to be this one. I is equal to 0.4 ampere. Now in the circuit, in figure, here should be figure 2. In figure 2, it is mentioned 2 loop. There is 2 loop and no alphabets are written here. So write here A, B, C, D, E and F. A, B, C, D, E, F. So in closed loop, A, B, C, F, take the loop direction of current. First you take the branch direction of current. So say here current is I1 or I, simply in 3 ohm take the current, assume the current I1, and then at this junction point C and this junction point C, the outgoing current will be I minus I1. I minus I1. And in this way, there will be 2 loops. You can write the loop equation in loop. First loop A, B, C, F, A. And you will get here minus 2 plus voltage rise for 10 volt plus 10 minus 1 into I. The branch current is I, but you will take the loop direction of current, like in clockwise here, also in clockwise here, loop 1, loop 2. And in branch CF 3 ohm. So loop direction and branch direction both are same. So minus 3 I1 in 4 ohm from in the branch FA, loop direction and again branch direction is same. So minus 4, there is voltage drop, so minus 4 I, and this equal to 0. Simplify it, make it equation number 1 and simplify. In the branch or in the closed loop, C, D, E, F, C. Starting from C in 2 ohm, and branch current is I minus I1, loop direction and branch direction same, so minus 2 in bracket I minus I1. And in 20 volt plus to minus, so minus 20 voltage drop. Again point E and point F, nothing is here, and from F to C the loop direction and branch direction both are in reverse direction, so taking the loop direction, so minus 3 for voltage drop, and in bracket reverse the direction of current as minus I1, and this you reached at point C equal to 0. Make this equation number 2. Solve both equation 1 and 2 and you will get the value of branch current I and branch current I1, and in branch C, D, E, F, I minus I1. Get it and get the result. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.